so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make something called Hawaii toast or toast Hawaii. I learned this from a family in Germany, and shout out to you guys for sure, Alexandra, Stefan, Timo. Thank you guys so much for the support since I have started this journey on YouTube. You guys have been amazing, and so I got this recipe which I am going to try today. Hope you guys enjoy. So it has in pineapple. I'm going to use bread, but I'm going to mix it up a little, try it in different ways. So I'm going to use wheat bread for some, and I'm going to use regular white bread for some. So I'll show you guys. Right, so the first thing was some bread, and then to add some butter to it. So I'm just going to add some butter to the bread here. That. Alright guys, so first I add some butter to the bread. As you can see, butter the bread. I don't know if anyone is like me that loves the country crock butter. I think it gives a little bit of flavor to everything. So that's the butter I use. So I don't even know if they can both hold in this dish, but let's make it work. Perfect. Alright. And then I'm also going to do two with the wheat bread. Alright, but let's do these ones first. So I do that, and then I add the... I hope I'm not forgetting anything. So then you add the ham, butter, and then I add the ham. Right, and then added pineapple. So I actually got the real pineapple, which is good. So I'm gonna add the pine. All right, so how I wanted to, the reason why I said I was doing it a little bit different is for one of them I'm going to add some bacon. Yes guys, I can't live without my bacon. So I'll add bacon to that one, as well as the pineapple, and then I'll put the cheese on top, and I'm gonna give it 10 minutes in the oven. Cheese. Yes, baby, cheese. The cheese on top. And then now for the ones with the wheat bread. The wheat bread. Yes. So it's the same, just add a little butter to the bread. What's that for you? Alright, so I'll add some butter to the wheat bread now. Alright guys, so I'm adding the butter to the bread. Don't mind that, no. No. Adding some more butter to the bread. No. Alright, so buttering the bread. Alright, so it's the same now. After I add the butter to the bread, I'm going to add again the ham slices. Hope I'm not leaving anything out. As you guys know, I'm gonna put the little addition. Right, so just adding the ham slices now, and then as she said, I'm gonna add the bacon. Followed by the pineapple slices again, which is almost finished. Pineapple slices, and then the cheese. Yes, cheese. I'm gonna put a little more pineapple on that one. And then guys, I'm going to put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Yes. Right, so there you have it. So I'll send you guys a video. I'll show you guys the end product. So I'm gonna put it in the oven now for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so here you have it. It's finished. The cheese on top, so I'm excited to try it. I didn't put any cherries on top because I don't have any. Was gonna put a little piece of strawberry. Haven't done that yet. But yeah, and this is the other one. So I'm excited for these. 10 minutes. And see who was eating off the bread while I was trying to cook it.